I chose an apprenticeship because I wanted to learn and get paid while doing something I enjoy at college. When I started the apprenticeship, I wanted to learn a lot of technical skills, but throughout the apprenticeship I've learned lots of people skills, which has increased my confidence and been able to talk to lots of different people around the workplace.
I think an apprenticeship is a great foundation for a long-term career. Judging from my own experience, I've changed jobs internally 4 times over the last 11 years and I'm climbing my way up the ladder. Briggs currently employs 39 apprentices across the UK. It gives us solid replacement for retirement. It gives us long-term careers for people that know the business inside and out.
When looking for an apprenticeship programme to study, I was looking for something mechanical based, and I saw this one on the government website and I chose it.
Our apprentices develop a wide range of skills, from comprehensive engineering skills to customer facing.
I really like being able to come to college. It's a nice little break from work, but I'm also learning at the same time and I'm also getting paid. The support I receive from my assessors ranges from lots of things. I can ask them anything if I have any problems at work, or if I wanted any training or guidance, I can always ask them that too.
I actually went through the whole apprenticeship programme 11 years ago, so it's very familiar. NSCG and Briggs have been working closely over the last 10 years plus, and it's a very important part of our company's future.
If there was someone I knew who was thinking of doing an apprenticeship, I would tell them definitely do it, because the skills that you learn while on the job and at college really help you for the rest of your life.